Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Nova Code and I'm so excited to share this video with you today. How to make a simple counter app with JavaScript. It's a good tutorial for beginners practice. I hope you find it helpful. So if you're ready guys, let's get started. Before anything, if you like this video, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So guys, for the first step in HTML file, we will type HTML5 in Visual Code and it makes a simple structure for HTML for us. In this body, I will have a div with frame class. And in this div, we will have center and container class for making a box in center of page. In inner HTML, we will have three different parts. First step is minus button. Next of that is an h1 with number 0. And the final step is plus button. And we will add a style and JavaScript file to the HTML page. So the HTML part of this project is finished, and now we will start the style sheet code for making better view of this project. Set background color to body with 222 code, and for the frame div style we will start with position absolute and set the 50% for top and left. Set the 400 pixel for the width and height is 400 pixel too. Color is 333 code and background color sets to 9900FF. Margin top is around minus 200 pixel and margin left is 200 pixel too. For making better style, I will set border radius to 10 pixel. Box shadow is 4 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixel, and 0 and RGBA shadow will be set to 0, 0, 0 and 0.1. Overflow is hidden and font family is sans serif. For the center class, I will set position to absolute and top and left set to 50%. Transform is translate minus 50% and minus 50%. For the container style, display is flex, border 4 pixel, solid, and 30, 30, 30 code. Background is FFDC00 and border radius is 10 rem, which is 60%. Padding is 1 rem and justify counter is a space between. Align item sets to center, align content is center too. Next step is H1. H1 style is margin 0, padding 0, and user select is none. Call 1 width is 45%, and for call 2 is 25%. Call button and number style, set the width with 100%, background is yellow, border is 0, and text align is center. And button style is color, for example 40 40 40 code. You select is known, font size 45 pixel, and cursor is pointer. So guys, the style sheet part is finished, and let's go to the JavaScript part. In the JavaScript part, we will have a minus button variable equal document.getElementById minus button. As you remember, in the HTML file, we set ID for button and h1. So for the count variable equals to document.getElementId with the count ID, and count variable is finished, and plus button document.getElementId plus button ID. Now we need to have a variable for count number, so I will make a variable with count number, name equal to 0. Now set the inner HTML of count to the count number. For the make action click, for the minus, I will add a add events listener for click action, and set the function for this callback. In this function, we will add a -1 with count num, and set the count inner HTML to value of count num. Same as the minus function, we need to have a plus function. So I will add a new add event listener for the click action, and the callback function I will add a count num plus equal 1 for increment value for count num. Next step is inner HTML of counts set to value of count num. So guys, this app is finished. We can see the result of this project. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it.